Welcome to my channel friends, Learn GK. Today we are discussing most important questions July 3rd week. Let's start. Question number 1. The largest solar power plant of the Indian Navy has recently been commissioned in which state? And the answer is Kerala. Next question. Name the person who has been appointed by the Board of Directors of the Karur Vyas Bank as a Managing Director and Chief Executive Officer of the bank. And the answer is Ramesh Babu Bodu. Next question. Name the person who has been appointed by the German technology major SAP as President and Managing Director for the SAP Indian subcontinent. And the answer is Gulmeet Baba. Next question is, which state's cabinet gave approval to Samadhan Se Vikas, a one-time settlement scheme for the recovery of long-pending dues? And the answer is Haryana. Next question. UPI auto-pay facility for recurring payment has been launched by National Payment Corporation of India. Next, PM Modi laid foundation stone for water supply project in which state in July 2020? And the answer is Manipur. Next question. Who launched the restructured scheme for PM's Award for Excellence in Public Administration 2020 recently? And the answer is Jitendra Singh. Next question. Which country became the 25th country to receive observer status in the World Trade Organization? And the answer is Turkmenistan. Next question. Which payments bank partnered with National Skill Development Corporation to train and skill the youth in rural India for financial service sector jobs? And the answer is Airtel Payments Bank. Next question. Which bank launched 100% paperless digital self-assisted online savings account named InstaClick Savings Account? And the answer is Bank of Baroda. Next question. What will be the GDP of India in FY21 as per the estimation of Singapore-based DBS Bank? And the answer is -6%. Next question. Which is the first Indian company to reach the market capitalization of rupees 13 lakh crore? And the answer is Reliance Industries Limited. Next question. Which country has added Reliance Jio among clean telcos companies list? And the answer is United States. Next question. What is the theme of India Ideas Summit 2020 addressed by PM Modi? And the answer is Building a Better Future. Next question. India targeted to reach spot in World Bank's Ease of Doing Business ranking. And the answer is 60. Next question. Tianwen-1 is the Mars mission of which country? And the answer is China. Next question. Who authored the book titled The Pandemic Century? And the answer is Mark Honingsbaum. Next question. Who launched the piloting of the paperless National Transit Pass system recently? And the answer is Prakash Javadekar. Next question. Amazon Pay partnered with which general insurance company to offer 100% paperless auto insurance? And the answer is Echo General Insurance. Next question. Who became the first Indian port to sign the Science-Based Targets Initiative? And the answer is Adani Ports and Special Economic Zone Limited. Next question. Who has been appointed as an honorary advisor to the steering committee for the BRICS Chamber of Commerce and Industry Young Leaders? And the answer is Sahit Seth. Next question. Name the space startup which has developed India's first in-orbit space debris monitoring and tracking system. And the answer is Digantara. Next question. John Ram, who is in news recently, is associated with which sport? And the answer is golf. Next question. Who is the author of the book titled The End Game? And the answer is S. Hussain Jaidi. Next question. Which state cabinet approved one-stop shop scheme July 2020? And the answer is Rajasthan. Next question. Prakash Chandra Kandpal has been appointed as the new managing director and chief executive officer of which company? Answer is SBI General Insurance. Next question. The Pravasi Rozgar app has been launched by which of the celebrity for the migrant workers? Answer is Sonu Sood. Next question. Naveen Tahilyani has been appointed as the MD and CEO of which insurance company? And the answer is Tata AIA Life Insurance. Vijay Mohanty, who passed away recently, was a renowned actor of which cinema? And the answer is Uriya. Next question. Name the portal recently launched by the government of Delhi to bring the job seekers and the people recruiters on one platform to revive the lockdown hit economy of the Delhi. And the answer is Rozgar Bazaar. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe.